All right, lads. So, I wanted to talk really quickly here about introspective journaling. We all know about gratitude journaling, very beneficial practice. I do it myself. Very good to get onto that habit. Introspective journaling, it's not really as well known. It does take a little bit more time and a little bit more brain power to put into, but it is just as beneficial as gratitude journaling. So, introspective journaling is essentially a type of journaling that forces you to build upon and add your 2 cents of the thoughts of your life, whether that be experiences that you're going through, problems that you're facing, decisions that you're waiting to make, experiences that you've had throughout the day, thoughts that you've been thinking about recently. Writing about this stuff kind of forces you to build upon and act upon it. So, let's say, for over the last week, there's this thing I've been wanting to do, but I haven't done it because in my mind, I'm thinking I'm not good enough to do X. When you don't journal about that, essentially that thought comes into your mind and it just kind of comes into your mind and it does that damage. And the fact of you have this thought now thinking that I'm not good enough to do X. Essentially, when you're journaling about that, it forces you to keep writing and build upon that statement. So, I'd be writing, I want to do this thing, but I don't think I'm good enough to do X. When you have to keep writing, what do you write next? You ask, why do I think that? I don't think I'm good enough to do that because I've tried it before and it hasn't worked. Well, you keep going. So I'm not going to do it because I've tried it before and I'm just going to say there's no point anymore. Maybe that's the wrong way to look at it. Maybe I should start looking at it as in every failure is one step closer to success. Just because I didn't make it in the past doesn't mean I shouldn't try again. And you can see how you're already now starting to improve your mindset and your thoughts about I'm not good enough to do X in a way that just thinking about it in your mind doesn't really allow you to do. Actually writing about it, which essentially kind of forces you to build upon it and kind of add your own 2 cents to it. It's very beneficial to do. I really recommend it.